so we are getting off of 15 North, and we're going to take 550 towards Sibyllsville, apparently. Never have I ever been up here before. This is kind of wild, folks, and I am so happy that you decided to come along on a ride with me today. Oh boy, look at this. This is something else. Wouldn't it be nice to just live up here? I mean, this is really wild. You got the mountains in your backyard. So cool. I'm just going to cruise along here and let you watch as I try not to fall off the road. Wow, this is just, oh my goodness, I am gobsmacked. I have never been up here before, and I am kicking myself for never having been up here. This is kind of wild. And let me tell you, the bike thinks it's 60 degrees out, but it's wrong. It is a cold 60. Whoa, Nelly. Take it nice and easy, John. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words. Normally I'm rambling along about whatever nonsense, and you've clicked off. But if you're still watching, thanks for coming on this ride. This is so much fun. Wow. And I have nothing else to talk about but I mean, it's not even summer yet, and this place is gorgeous. I have got to get Mrs. Road Reality out here on her bike. I bet you she'd have a blast coming up these back roads. This is just something else. Goodness. Yep, we've got about 15 minutes left till I get to the destination. So this High Rock thing is a very popular destination for motorcycle rides, at least there in Maryland. And I have never been able to join them on one, but today I managed to get out for a couple hours, and yeah, I'm gonna check this thing out. It's like a big rock on a cliff and a mountain and stuff, so I made sure to bring the 360 camera and plenty of batteries so I can go ahead and get some really nice footage up there. And it appears that we are coming to the end of Sibyllsville Road. Yep. Kinda, maybe. I have an idea. That is something else. Look at the train tracks coming through here. That is really cool. And no, this is just a stop sign, so it's not the end of the road. All right, very cool. Came to a full and complete stop there. Keep Johnny Law at bay. Wait for the local, head up the road. I wanted to go there. Yep. Whew. That was close. So I hope we're not lost. I mean, GPS knows where we are, but this is a definite back road. Definitely a bumpy bus ride here, folks. Boy, this is just so nice. This is relaxing. This is calming the old nerves, as it were. I always like to see that. Shoulder drop off. No, I'm kidding. The squiggly line. That's the one I like to see. Okay, so my GPS finally updated, and it says that our next turn, whenever it is is going to be on the road that High Rock is on. So I'm probably going to pull over when we get close to Penmar High Rock Road and switch camera angles real quick, because I really want to get the 360 up in the air. Maybe it'll get some better footage than sitting on my fairing. And I can pan around and do cool things like that. So look for that. Whee! Oh, I get it now. Penmar, Pennsylvania and Maryland. Golly, I'm a dum-dum. Okay, and that's not even a red light. Thank you. That's an orange light. Told you I was stupid today. I can't get anything to work right. Hey, there's water over there. I wonder what that is. All right, here we go. So we're going to be there in about 4 minutes. That's all we got, is 4 minutes on this road. We should be able to find it. Whoa, Nelly, look at that. Okay. Sorry, wasn't expecting that. All right. So what we're looking for here is a big graffiti-covered stone or concrete thing. Not really sure, but apparently it's visible from the road. And there's a radio station at the end of this road. I forget the call sign, W something or other, WXYM or whatever. Doesn't really matter. We're not here to see the radio station, but we are here to see High Rock. I don't quite understand why we're going downhill if we're supposed to be finding a high rock. But such is life. I may be lost. I may not find my destination. It's happened before. It'll happen again. If I see a group of motorcycles, a big group of motorcycles, then that's going to be my ticket, because that's going to be exactly where everybody's at. The Maryland motorcycle riders, I think it's them, they were coming out here today. They were doing a ride to here, and I wasn't able to join them. Didn't think I was going to get up here at all. That's a big house. Ooh, that's a big pump. And that, I don't even know what that is. That was a barbecue. Somebody caught their SUV on fire, and it says we're there. So I guess we still have a little bit of ways to go. Oops. Hey, John gets lost again. Surprise, surprise. Wow. Whoa, I gotta pay attention to the road. You look over there to the right. That is just bonkers. Look at that view. Oh, I think we're getting close, folks. I really do think we are close. Because I see a U-turn up ahead. Well, the road makes a U-turn, I don't. I think that's gonna be the rock. Oh boy. Yep, there she is, folks. Find a parking spot. and go look at the rock. This is so cool. Ah, gravel, gravel, gravel. Where to park, where to park? I think I'm just gonna go right about here. Yeah. That looks like the safest spot to put a Harley, doesn't it?